Sperm whales can weigh the same as 9 elephants and make sounds louder than a jet engine, which is absolutely bonkers. These ocean giants have the biggest brains of any animal that has ever existed on Earth, alive or extinct. Their enormous square-shaped heads account for a third of their entire body length and contain a mysterious waxy substance called spermaceti that helps them focus sound underwater. Males can grow up to 19 meters long and weigh 57,000 kilograms, making them genuine ocean monsters. These incredible hunters can dive to depths of 3 kilometers and hold their breath for an absolutely insane 2 hours straight. They use advanced echolocation to hunt giant squid in pitch black water. And many whales carry battle scars from their underwater fights. The clicks they produce reach 230 decibels, considerably louder than jet engines, making them the loudest creatures on the planet. Female sperm whales live in tight-knit family groups with their own unique acoustic dialects called codas, basically speaking different languages. When orcas attack their calves, the females form protective circles called marguerite formations, with their powerful flukes ready to strike. These magnificent creatures can live up to 70 years, but face serious threats from pollution, fishing gear, and ocean noise that disrupts their sound-based world.